Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can turn your Google site into an online store. Essentially, I'll show you how to connect and add products to your Google Sites website. Okay, so here we are on an example Google Sites template. Now, if you're interested in getting your own copy of this Google Sites template, I will add the relevant link down below in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to design your Google Sites website to look like an online store, I will add the relevant tutorial down below in the description. Okay, so let's navigate over to Shop Online and click on Product 1. And you can see I've already built out this product page. Now over here, you can see I have an image of the product, and then I have details about the product over here. All I did was added the right content from the right hand side. This is a text box over here, and this Buy Now button over here, I simply added the button from the right hand side. And then we have an image over here, as well as an image carousel. Okay, so we've created a product section on our Google Sites website. Now what we want to do is link a product to this Buy Now button. That's going to allow our website visitors to click Buy Now, and that's going to take them to a checkout page where they can purchase this product. To do this, we need to use a third-party tool, and we're going to use a free payment provider called Stripe. Simply head over to stripe.com, and that's going to take you here. Now, you can also use other payment gateways if you like. However, I like using Stripe because it's free to use, and you only pay a small fee per transaction. So go ahead, sign up, and I'll meet you inside your Stripe account. And here we are inside our Stripe dashboard. Now, you will need to add your business details and payment details into Stripe so that you can start using Stripe. So take your time to do that if you're completely new to Stripe. Then navigate over to Product Catalog, and here you can see 3 products I added earlier. I'm going to navigate over to Create Product and add a new product. And this product is called Green Juice Super Boost. Then add a product description and take the time to add all the appropriate and relevant details you want to add to your product description. Then come down and add a product image. I'm going to use this image here. Then you can choose if your product is recurring or one-off. This is a one-off product, and then add your pricing. Then click on Add Product. Now what we can do is navigate up to this plus icon and create a payment link. And this allows us to create a payment page. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And this is the product payment page that we can link with our Google Sites online store. Navigate over to the left-hand side and add the product that we just added. You can also add another product as well as product recommendations. Then add the relevant information that you want to collect from your customers. I want to collect my customer's address, billing and shipping, and we can navigate down here and add your shipping rates. Or if you're selling a digital product, then maybe you only need a billing address. You can also require the customer's phone number too, and then you can preview what your payment page looks like on the right hand side. Then navigate over to After Payment. Once a customer has made a payment and purchased your product, this is the page they will see. And you can show the default confirmation page or place the default with a custom message. You can also choose to not show a confirmation page and redirect customers to a different page on your website. Maybe you have a thank you page on your Google site. Once you're happy with all these details, navigate up to Create Link. Then navigate over to Copy, and that's going to copy this link. Now you also want to add all your payment methods. For example, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, link. You can add additional payment methods by clicking Manage. Let's head back over to our Google site. Then locate the button that you added. Add the button name, I'm happy with Buy Now, and then paste in the link that you copied from Stripe here, and then click on Update. Okay, so that's one option. I'll show you what this looks like shortly. What we can also do is navigate up to Embed, and then navigate over to Embed Code, and then add a product code snippet in here. For example, let's head back to Stripe, and then click on Buy Button, and then here we can copy this code. For example, we can choose Card, and the card will look like this, or we can choose Button, and add a button that looks like this. Let's go ahead and add a card. I like the look of this option, and we can embed this on our website. You can also customize the styling if you like. Okay, let's copy this code and head back over to Google Sites. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM Built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users, you can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. And then navigate down here and paste in that code. And then hit next. Here we have a preview, then click on insert. And just like that, the product card has been added. And for example, I can replace this element here and add this card if I like, and then keep the product description here. For example, if I click here and hit delete, and then navigate down here, click and drag, and place that up here, you can see I now have the product card here. Let's go ahead and preview what this looks like. If we navigate down, you can see I have this product here. I can click on buy now, or navigate over to buy now here. And that's going to take the customer to this payment page where they can add their details and then purchase this product. As you can see, it's as simple as that to add products to your Google site, to turn your Google Sites website into an online store. If you got value and enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.